Hello everyone, my name is Satish Kondalam and I'm a Principal Technical Marketing Engineer in the Prisma Access team. In this video, I'm going to give you a short introduction to Prisma Access Autonomous DEM, an add-on feature to Prisma Access. Traditionally, as organizations have adopted to address digital transformation, they're experiencing a couple of trends. Migration of workloads to the cloud has ensured that there is increased reliance on internet connectivity. This makes it very difficult for IT teams to track performance issues now. Also, due to the present situation with the pandemic, explosion of remote workers have ensured that the IT teams now have to expand from a few remote offices and workers to thousands of remote offices and workers. As these officers and users moved out of the traditional branch, again, IT team lost visibility into performance. This is where digital experience management or DEM comes in. DEM helps IT teams understand the performance issues that impact user experience when the users are at home or on public Wi-Fi or on laptops on the corporate LAN. In addition, it details issues with accessing internal and external applications. It also provides the entire network path and how it is performing from the branches and remote locations. Palo Alto Networks Autonomous DEM solution, or ADEM for short, is the industry first SASE native DEM. This solution gives us visibility and user experience when users are at home, across their Wi-Fi, local area network, and going to private applications or public SaaS applications. It also provides you segment-wise insights along the entire network path. Let's drill into some examples of what ADEM can do for your organization. When using ADEM, an administrator can come to the summary page to get a network-wide view of the user experience across the entire organization. This page gives you a network-wide experience score, talks about users and applications across your entire network and what their experience is. The summary also shows a network-wide score trend. In addition, if we scroll down, we also show you what segments are being impacted across your entire organization, right from your users all the way to your application. It also shows you which locations may be causing issues to your organization. With the summary view, IT teams can quickly tell if there are any system-wide or network-wide issues that they should be looking at. Now, in real-world help desk scenarios, customers may be reporting issues with specific applications. Prisma Access ADEM also uses application-specific views to help isolate where these issues could be. On the application summary page, we show all the applications that are running across your entire organization, individual health score of each application, number of users that are using the application, and where the application is being accessed from. When IT admins are trying to understand application-specific performance issues, this view can be used to quickly isolate and identify those issues. As an example, drilling down into Salesforce, here we can see what the user experience is, how many users are accessing the application, what the performance trend is, and again scrolling down, we can see for impacted users, where do the problems lie? Is it on user's workstation, local Wi-Fi or other network, ISP or other WAN network components? Another common help desk scenario is when a user calls in experiencing general issues and performance problems. ADEM also provides a user-centric view of performance on the network. In this page, admins can get a summary view, all of the user experience in the network and how experience is trending, and also what performance are on a per user level. As an example, if John Doe was complaining about a general issue, we can click on him and investigate what might be the problem. Right away, we can see that the user has a low memory issue and that their experience score is very poor. In addition, if we scroll down, we also show you that around 9 a.m., he started experiencing some issues that could have caused poor application experience trend. We also determined that these issues were likely driven by the low available memory event on his device. For IT teams and customers, this amount of data and user experience performance insight is a game changer. Organizations are now able to troubleshoot user performance no matter where the user is, on whatever network those users may be connecting. In this video, I have shown you a short introduction to Prisma Access ADEM. Thank you for your time.